AI is moving fast. Every industry is changing. And if you're a small business owner, you've probably wondered at least once, is AI going to replace my bookkeeping? It's a valid concern. Software today can categorize expenses, read receipts, pull in bank feeds, and do it all almost instantly. Tasks that used to take humans hours to complete are now completed by a computer in seconds. But here's the truth I want to share with you today. AI is absolutely changing bookkeeping, but it's not replacing it. In fact, it's making your bookkeeper more valuable than ever. This video will show exactly what's changing, what's not changing, and how to take advantage of everything AI has to offer without putting your business at risk. Let's get into it. Let's start with where we've been. If you've been in business for a while, you know what bookkeeping used to look like. Endless data entry, chasing receipts, manually entering transactions into a spreadsheet, and trying to reconcile your bank accounts with whatever system you were using. You probably remember that feeling of logging into your accounting software and seeing a long list of uncategorized expenses waiting for you, or realizing at tax time that your books hadn't been touched in months. It was tedious, it was stressful, and a lot of business owners thought that this was the most dreadful part of their job. Now fast forward to today. The software you use, QuickBooks, Xero, Wave, you name it, has become incredibly smart. Transactions flow in automatically. Expenses get categorized based on your past behavior. You can upload a photo of a receipt and boom, AI reads it, records it, and places it where it needs to go. It even flags anything unusual. This is not a slight improvement, it's a leap. And over the next few years, this automation will become better, more accurate, faster, more intuitive, and yes, manual bookkeeping is disappearing. By manual bookkeeping, we mean bookkeeping that is done without a computer. But does that mean bookkeeping as a whole disappears? Absolutely not. Bookkeeping is evolving into something more strategic. And that's where the opportunity lies for you and for your business. Let's talk about what AI is actually doing behind the scenes and why it matters for you. First, AI is doing an incredibly good job at handling repetitive tasks. Things like categorizing expenses or matching transactions. This is routine, predictable work, and the machines are built for consistency. They don't get tired, they don't get distracted, and they don't make typos at midnight. But AI is also doing something more powerful. It's starting to recognize patterns. For example, if your revenue drops during the summer every year, AI will start predicting that trend and alerting you ahead of time. If your cash flow always gets tight after payroll week, AI can figure that out too. If your expenses spike every December because of inventory or holiday promotions, AI learns that. Suddenly, you're not just looking backwards at what happened, you're being warned about what is about to happen. And then there's reconciliations. Traditionally, the most tedious part of bookkeeping, AI can now match transactions across platforms instantly. If something doesn't match, AI calls it out, but it doesn't try to hide it. Or guessing correctly, it simply says, hey, there's something here that might be off. And that's where the human expertise comes in. One of my favorite things that AI does is fraud detection. It can see anomalies the moment they happen, suspicious charges, duplicate payments, unusual vendors. It's like having a financial watchdog monitoring your accounts 24/7. And yes, AI is making your books smarter. But smarter data doesn't automatically create smarter decisions, and that's exactly why you still need a bookkeeper. This is the part most business owners don't realize. AI handles tasks, but your bookkeeper handles judgment, interpretation, and strategy. Let me explain. Imagine AI flags a spending spike in your business. Great, now what? AI doesn't know your goals. It doesn't know you're hiring for a new position. It doesn't understand seasonality the same way that you do. It doesn't know you're opening a second location or launching a new service. It doesn't understand the nuances behind your decisions. Your bookkeeper, on the other hand, can look at the numbers and say, okay, this spending spike is normal for your business in March. Or, this increase is a red flag. We should figure out what caused it. AI can do the math, but your bookkeeper connects the math to the real world. Another reason you need a bookkeeper, AI makes mistakes. It can miscategorize. It can misread receipts. It can overlook certain transactions. When the IRS comes knocking, the software did it is not going to protect you. Your bookkeeper acts as a guardrail, reviewing, correcting, validating, and making sure that your books are accurate, compliant, and tax ready. And we see mistakes from AI every day. But here's the biggest reason you still need a bookkeeper. AI gives you information, but your bookkeeper gives you insight. AI can tell you what happened, but your bookkeeper helps you decide what to do with it. Think of it like this. Having information isn't the same as having direction, and direction is exactly what keeps a business financially healthy. So if AI takes over the repetitive tasks, what does your bookkeeper do now? They become your true financial partner. Instead of spending time typing, clicking, and reconciling, bookkeepers are now spending more time analyzing what the numbers actually mean. They can walk you through your cash flow, explain trends in your revenue and expenses, and help you understand your profitability by service or product line, and show you where you might be overspending. Bookkeepers are becoming part data translator, part financial analyst, part advisor. They help you plan instead of just react. They can say things like, "We're seeing your cost rise in this category. Should we explore other vendors? Your cash flow is tightening. Let's adjust it before it becomes a problem." Here are 3 ways we can improve your margins based on the data. Those are insights AI can't come up with on its own because it doesn't understand your business context. And here's another shift. Bookkeepers are now helping business owners implement the right tech stack. They can help you choose the right software, integrate apps, automate your workflows, and make sure that your financial data flows smoothly between systems. If you get the efficiency of AI paired with the expertise of a human who understands your business, you're getting the best of both worlds. So what does this mean for you? How do you make the most of this new bookkeeping landscape? First, embrace the right tools. If you're using outdated software or spreadsheets, you're working too hard. Modern accounting software with AI features can save you hours every month to give you better quality data. Second, don't rely solely on automation. Even though the software is smart, it doesn't replace professional insight. You still need someone who knows what they're doing to review the numbers, interpret them, and help you make decisions. Third, stay curious and open to new ways of doing things. The small businesses that thrive over the next 10 years will be the ones that adapt, use technology as an advantage, and make informed, data-driven decisions. The combination of AI and a skilled bookkeeper is incredibly powerful. AI keeps your books tight and clean, and your bookkeeper keeps your business moving in the right direction. AI isn't here to replace your bookkeeper. It's here to make the bookkeeping process faster, cleaner, and more accurate, and more insightful. And when you pair automation with human expertise, you get the clarity and confidence every small business owner needs to make smarter decisions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.